Telekinesis tutorial. Today we're talking about cooking and what you should eat to do telekinesis. Most of you don't know, but in order to do telekinesis, you have to be healthy, mentally and physically. You have to have a strong and healthy body to have a strong and healthy mind. So, what should you eat and when should you eat? I've experimented a lot about that, and I can tell that it's very important to figure out your own personal diet. To me, you guys always ask me, should you be vegetarian to do telekinesis? And the answer is no. Don't do that. I've tried that and it's very, very bad for you. Neither should you be vegan. That's even worse. So what should you eat? In my opinion, you should have lots of meat and no carbs. That way your body goes into ketosis, and ketosis makes you slim and strong. That means you can't eat any noodles or rice or bread, and of course no soda or candy. And if you do this diet for a while, you will experience maybe a few headaches in the beginning, but in the end you're gonna lose some weight and become very, very strong. And then when you do telekinesis and the breathing technique and you meditate, you will realize that you're way, way stronger, and telekinesis will become way easier. So my question for you is, what do you eat on a daily basis? And maybe together we can figure out a better way to be healthier. And one more thing, you shouldn't eat too often. Not more often than once or twice a day. For me, for example, I eat every day one meal around 4 or 5 p.m. and that's it. So, if I were you, I would do the same. But let's talk about it in the comments. I'm here to help you, and together we can figure out a way for you to be healthy and strong. That being said, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help you.